In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload Reels to your Facebook from your mobile. So to go and upload a Reel on Facebook, you first want to make sure you have a Facebook page set up. Now, you can post Reels from your personal Facebook, but they're always going to reach a larger audience if it's been posted from an actual page. So I'm going to assume that you already have a Facebook page. And once you have your page created, click on Menu in the bottom navigation, click on the drop-down arrow next to your profile name, and then just go and select the page that you want to post your Reel on. Once you've selected your page, click on Home in the bottom navigation, and then click on the plus icon at the very top, select Reel, and then you need to go and select your video that you want to upload as your Reel from your iPhone gallery. Now do bear in mind that the maximum length for Reels on Facebook is 90 seconds, so you need to ensure that you're uploading a video that's under 90 seconds. So I'm going to click on this video here. Now you can make changes to your Reel from this editor here. So you have a bunch of options on the right hand side, such as audio, noise reducer, text, and effects. You can also select edit in the bottom left hand side, and you'll be able to adjust things like the length and also the crop of the video footage. But for now, I'm just going to click on cancel. And once you've finished with your Reel, click on next. Go and create a description for your Reel. This is where you can also include things like hashtags. Make sure the Reel is set to public so everyone can see this. And then finally, just go and press share now. And just like that, we have now posted our first Reel on Facebook. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.